Hi, and today we're looking at a USB soldering iron. I wanted something that I could use outside. It's not for heavy duty work, it's just for short, simple jobs. The soldering iron is made in China, as most things are. So let's have a look at the soldering iron itself. And what you get in the package is obviously your instruction manual, pretty well written, easy to follow, nothing special. You get a USB charger to charge the soldering iron. You get the soldering tip. Yeah, it's really small. Not ever seen anything like it. A bit surprised as well how small it is, so we'll just put that to one side. And then you've got a soldering stand that comes with a sponge. I've already put some water in there to wet it. You get some solder, don't really need it. I've already got my own. And then we've got the flux that comes with it. So that's pretty neat. You know, you get all these bits that if you don't have, you've got it in the package. Don't need that. Coming back to the soldering iron. So the soldering iron is charges via USB-C. As you can see at the bottom, it's got a little LED light that shows up green once it's fully charged. You have your power button in the middle, and you have a little screen that comes on here, and you've got your positive to increase the temperature and your negative to decrease the temperature. At the front here is the hole to slide your solder tip into, and it's quite straightforward. Slide it in, just push a little bit and you'll see it just goes in a tiny bit, and it's quite tight in there. All you do to turn it on is you press the power button and wait a few seconds and it will turn on. Another thing that is really impressive, it's got 3 LED lights that come on at the front of the solder, so if you're working anywhere dark or somewhere where you need a little bit of light, it's already there. Now it heats up to 420 degrees maximum temperature and 260 degrees minimum temperature. I sort of set it, I've tried it out a little bit so beforehand, and you just press it once and it comes down, so you can see it going up. And if we go the other way, I think a decent temperature is 300 degrees, and that works quite well. And you can see it climbs really quick. It's very fast. From what I've understand, on a full charge you can solder for about 1 hour. I'm not sure if that is actual, but that's what I've read. Now, just to show you how quick it melts, hopefully this will work. And there you go. You can see how fast that melts the solder. What I've done, I've prepared a little board. I don't know where I've put it. Over here, just to show you. What I'll do is I'll zoom in a little bit. So we'll move this down. There you go. Just so you can see it. Just going to clean that off again. So we've got no solder on the tip, and we're just gonna find a few spots just to solder. So just hold, and you can see from this it's really good. It solders fantastic. Really impressed with it, how fast it can solder, and it's set to 300 degrees. So I take it if you use it at 300 degrees, the battery life is a little bit better, and the camera's out of focus. So I'll just zoom that back out again. You can increase the temperature up to 420 degrees. So if it's cold outside and whatever, and you need to get a bit more heat in it, you can do, and I think that's a great feature. To turn it off again, you just hold that power button, give it a few seconds, and it switches off. The build quality is hard plastic. It's not super heavy and it's not super light. It's pretty well built, I think. I'm really impressed with it. Like I says, if you're doing small work, you know, need to solder some wires, it's perfect for that type of job. Anybody who's working out on the road, or you know, working on stuff that they need to have something portable, as a portable soldering iron, should I say, this I think is the perfect tool. Price, it comes in at £14. That's free delivery. So for the price, I think it's excellent for the price. No complaints really. The only real complaint is the packaging. I wish they'd make the plastic insert a little better on the packaging, but apart from that, the soldering iron itself is lovely, and what you get within the kit is also pretty excellent, really, to be honest. So you're getting everything that you need to actually do any work. So come to the end of the video. If you'd like to purchase the soldering iron, I'll leave an affiliate link down below. This allows me to earn a very small percentage. This goes towards any future videos. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, please leave them down below. If you'd like to see anything in particular to be reviewed, and I will do my best to review them products. And until next time, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.